Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a super cool paper airplane with the iconic red color and golden star. With just a few simple paper folding steps, you'll have an awesome paper airplane to display or play with your friends. This is a fun activity that not only helps improve your dexterity but also encourages creativity. Let's make this airplane together. It's going to be a lot of fun, and you'll be amazed by the result. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Handmadehavenvn for more cute crafts every day. Thank you.